Hello! It is I. What's up, I'm back. Let's see what's gonna happen today. What day is it today? It is Thursday. It's the 22nd. The year's almost over. Still crazy to think. I still haven't really accepted that. But I'm gonna... Basically, I'm kind of in morning stream mode after day for a little bit, and then it'll be a bunch of evening streams, so that'll be fun. Not really fun, but you know. Anyway, yeah. I'll be on tomorrow morning. I'll be on Saturday morning. I don't know when I'm gonna be on. I don't know, I'm trying to think. Hold on, yeah, the morning tomorrow, Saturday. I already get that. Okay, great. Hicks is here, by the way, so that could be cool. Could also not be cool, but we'll see before I say anything. But yeah, so morning, and then I don't know, probably like afternoon or evening on Sunday, and then I'm not sure Monday, and then we'll do a lot of mornings. And that'll be that. Christmas is right around the corner for those who celebrate. And Animal Crossing Toy Day is right around the corner. Which I won't really be doing because I've already done it all. Oh my god, he still doesn't have a thing. Ah. Okay, he doesn't have ski boots. Again, shocking. He doesn't have the back bow socks. Again, shocking. That's a pleather handbag. It's definitely not black or pink. We also have this, which we have, and that, which we have. So we're out of luck again. Hicks, always disappointing at my island for some reason. I don't know what it is. He never seems to bring anything I need. At least if he's here. Yeah, see, there's that. And then the pleather handbag is a bit of a problem. I'm sure the other ones are like super whatever. I'm gonna search it up. Oh yeah, that pink is like hot pink, like I was expecting. Alright, well, we'll keep waiting. Well, then I need so many up again. The clasp first, that's right. I just really wish you could get like those things in your catalog through the DLC and then order them. I feel like that's a miss site. I don't know. It seems like it should have happened. Wait, does he? No, I'm crazy. The trail stuff doesn't do backpacks. I was like, wait, am I missing something? It should. Man. I really don't have much to say. It's been a very long week. Gonna be taking it easy. Gonna be starting Demon Souls next week. Life's gonna be good. Man. Okay, what did I get before? I think I got the sign. And now what? Floor again? That's unfortunate. I got unfortunate. Get it? That's unfortunate. It's a good joke. Definitely a good joke. Yep. Lame. Well, maybe we'll have a couple more days where I don't get anything, and then I'll get something new. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I would prefer. Getting nothing, like nothing remotely close, for a while, then getting it, or getting the same thing, but then not getting the right color. Not really great either way. But, I don't know. We've been doing this since the 6th. Although I haven't been doing 2 per day the whole time. So, we'll just stick with it and see what happens. I will be wrapping up in a sec. I just need to get the recipe still. I chose the wrong way. Hey, if we get the... man, come on! Keep getting golden things. I've got like 2 golden things. Again, the golden things are not what I need. It just says the thing and it gets my hopes up. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Nothing to report today. Kix was here and that was a bust. So, we'll be back tomorrow in the morning and see what happens.